Hi, I'm Alan from Main Maps. Getting a high detailed and labelled map of your place has never been easier, quicker and thus cheaper than it is now. An aerial or satellite photo like this can be very useful for any property. Main Maps are expert in converting these aerial images into accurate and highly detailed property maps that can be used for all your management and communication needs. Fence lines, buildings, gates, as well as roads, tracks, dams and creeks can all be traced off the aerial photo. The resulting map is already far clearer and more useful than any aerial image. Paddock names and other labels can be included. Also the contour lines if the topography of the property is of interest. How many properties have a network of water infrastructure and no one really knows where it runs? The office, toilets, fuel, first aid stations, the emergency showers and the assembly areas are part of many detailed property maps. The image can be geo-referenced and, using mapping software, the areas of the paddocks and the dams can also be included. The result contains much more detail than can ever be obtained from an aerial or satellite image. For this property, the cost of all this was about $300. Once the map is produced, using the free Adobe software, it can be viewed by the property owner on a computer screen like you see me doing now. It can be printed by him on his own printer or displayed on the World Wide Web if selling the property. When the same map is used with mapping software as I'm doing now, it can interface with GPS units. Tracks recorded by the GPS and waypoints recorded by the GPS can be imported onto the property map. This is a 2-metre long poster print of a 3-kilometre long macadamia orchard, but it could be any farm or vineyard. As you can see, the detail contained in this map is incredible. Such a map, when laminated and displayed on the wall of the office or in the workshop, is an invaluable tool in the efficient running of any property. The property owner may write on this with a whiteboard marker pen and may print off his own A4 size prints using his own printer. Thanks for watching this presentation. Check out the map samples of many different types of property on this website. These can be downloaded and printed. If you find a map that is of interest to you, please contact myself, Alan, from Main Maps to find the cost of printing that map.